Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to have you back again. Please, if you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to make carrot juice with ginger and lemon for weight loss. The combination of all these three ingredients is very effective for weight loss because they all contain antioxidants. They suppress appetite, which makes you eat less, and also has anti-obesity effect. So right away we are going to start making the carrot juice. So we are going to start rinsing all these ingredients first. I'm going to bring this into a bowl of water. Okay, so I'm going to start with the carrot. I'm going to remove the end that is attached to the greenish leaf. Cut out the two ends. Now I'm going to scrape the skin of the carrot. If you're using baby carrots, there will be no need to scrape the skin. Okay, I'm not going to be using the whole of this ginger. I'm just going to take out an inch. Then I'm going to just gently remove the brown skin. You can just juice yours without having to peel this. It's optional. So I'm going to be rinsing this again. This time around I'm going to add a little salt to the water. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to chop the carrots into smaller chunks. I'm also going to slice the ginger. Into the blender, I'm going to be combining the carrots and the ginger. I'm going to be adding in a cup of water. Now I'm going to start blending this. Okay, so once I'm done blending and I have a very smooth paste like this, I'm going to strain this right away. I'm going to place the strainer over a bowl. I'm just going to empty everything into it. Next, I'm going to use a spoon to press the pulp to remove all the juice. Okay, once done, I'm going to discard the pulp. You can use this to make your rice. It's still very useful. Now here is our carrot juice. After straining this, we are not done yet. I'm going to be adding in lemon juice to this. I'm using 2 small lemons. They are not big, that's why I'm using 2, so you can just use 1. Okay, so I'm going to just use a spoon to stir this. Okay guys, here is our refreshing carrot juice. This is very effective for weight loss. You can start seeing results after taking a glass of this every day for 1 month. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think about carrot juice. If you like this video, share with your friends, and if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, bye.